If you are looking for the best leather repair kit, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. MastaPlasta Instant Leather Repair. The MastaPlasta is strong enough to support hospital strength, yet it is as soft as the best Italian leathers. The miracle that this best leather repair does is that it has the ability to stick to the leather and conceal all the damaged areas like there is not any damage there. This is a pretty operative way out that works wonders on vinyl, leather, and various other upholstery fabrics. This is an easy peel and sticks leather patch solution that entails the ability to fix any sort of damages in just a few minutes. Number 2. Chamberlain's Leather Milk Leather Repair. If you own a pet and you love it as much as you love your leather products, and your pet is not getting along with the products by scratching it every now and then this is the repair kit for cat scratches. The scratches that your cat makes are not worrisome anymore. This leather conditioner not only repairs all the scratches but ensures that each and every scratch is just eliminated like it was not there at all. It works deeply in order to fix, condition, and restore your leather product pretty much to your satisfaction. Number 3. Fertival Leather Repair Kit. Now this one offers you a reasonable manner to repair leather and vinyl permanently just like pros. It has worked wonders in repairing compound that generates a permanent bond on the surface of the leather. This is one of the best leather and vinyl repair kits available in the market that assist you in repairing and fixing your vinyl leather products. It conceals the damaged area like nothing ever happens to it, making it look fresh and new again. Overall, this is a nice leather repair kit that you can buy without any kind of hesitation. Number 4. Furniture Clinic Leather Recoloring Balm. The Furniture Clinic Leather Recoloring Balm comes with versatile characteristics. You may also refer to this as the best leather repair cream if you talk about recoloring balm. This one just picture perfect for fixing handbags, clothes, furniture, couches, sofas, and many other items manufactured with absorbent leather. It instantly, easily restores the exact shade of all absorbent leather products. One usage of this Furniture Clinic Leather Recoloring Balm lasts up to almost 3 years, and this indicates you are going to save your money for quite a long time. Number 5. Coconix Upholstery Leather Repair Kit. This leather repair kit is highly recommendable because it offers you step-by-step instructions as to how you can achieve your goal in regards to fixing the damaged spot on leather products. The guidelines that it comes with makes it a lot easier to use it. There are a lot more reasons why you should get this repair kit. Without a second thought is that the results that it provides are like 100% guaranteed, and the satisfaction that it provides with the results is just impeccable.